Our mask mandate set to expire 48 hours from right now. But just minutes ago, Governor Ivey's office telling Fox 10 News the governor will be holding a news conference tomorrow morning at 11. We just might get some answers then.
So will she extend it or join other southern states in letting people decide? Our investigative reporter Brendan Kirby has been digging into the numbers. Brendan, how effective has the mask mandate been?
Well, Lenise and Byron, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention lists a dozen different studies from around the world showing that masks are effective at preventing the spread of COVID-19. But that's not exactly the same thing as whether the mandate has succeeded. Let's look at numbers on daily infections from the COVID tracking project. Since Governor Kay Ivey issued her mask order July 15th, cases have gone down, then up, then back down again. Phil Williams, Chief Policy Officer of the conservative Alabama Policy Institute, opposes the mandate on liberty grounds. And he argues states with even more restrictive policies than masks have not outperformed those that have taken a lighter approach.
Florida versus New York is a great example. They've had very loose restrictions, if any. They've had no mask mandate, and all that to say, Florida's numbers have trended the same as New York for the most part.
Dr. Sarah Nafziger of the University of Alabama at Birmingham School of Medicine says people should continue to wear masks even if Governor Ivey says they don't have to. She says she's seen the effectiveness of masks firsthand at UAB.
On our campus and in our healthcare system long before anyone in the state, before there was a statewide mandate. And what we saw when we did that was a tremendous drop in COVID infections and COVID transmission within the hospital and the healthcare setting.
Folks I talked to today were split. Laura Young, a shop owner visiting from Demopolis, wants the mandate lifted.
I don't want COVID, but I'm having breathing problems with this, and I'm ready for it to be done.
But Mobile resident Andrea Dixon says it's not time yet.
We don't know who got it, and they coughing around us. We don't know who got it. I'm a diabetic.
The governor in recent days has stressed personal responsibility, but we'll have to wait until tomorrow to find out if that means there'll be any changes to the mask mandate. Reporting live in downtown Mobile, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.